Cloud cover. Forecasting with clouds. The clouds in the sky tell a lot about the weather. Thick clumps of clouds can block the sun's warmth. Gray and green clouds can mean storms. Meteorologists talk about cloud cover in their forecasts. They predict how much open sky will show. They warn if rain clouds are coming. Types of cloud cover. Sometimes the sky is bright blue with very few clouds. This kind of cloud cover is called clear. Other times, only patches of sunny blue sky show. Clouds cover up as much as half of the sky. This cover is called scattered. Even more clouds fill a broken sky. This sky is also called mostly cloudy. Little sunlight can peek through. An overcast sky is fully covered by clouds. Sunlight cannot break through. If the clouds are dark, they might be thick with precipitation. Low visibility. Sometimes fog, snow, or dust can obscure the sky. Then the cloud cover is difficult to see. This is called low visibility. Effects of cloud cover. A cloudy sky can keep daytime temperatures cool. Clouds shield the earth from the hot sun. At night, clouds keep temperatures warmer. They trap heat close to the earth. Clouds do not protect us from the sun's harmful rays. Those rays can still pass through clouds. Watch out for sunburn. Precipitation. What is precipitation? Plants, animals, and people all need water to live. The water cycle moves water to the earth from the sky. Precipitation is part of this cycle. Precipitation is water that falls from clouds. It can fall as a liquid or a solid. Types of precipitation. Rain is a liquid form. It can come as a sprinkle or a downpour. Drizzle is a misty liquid. It is finer than rain. Precipitation becomes snow when weather is colder. The solid flakes can be wet and sticky, or light and powdery. Sometimes precipitation is a mix of rain and snow. It can also fall as small bits of ice called sleet. Freezing rain happens when water droplets become ice when they land. Hail happens during severe weather. It falls as hard balls of ice. Hail can be small like peas or large like softballs. It can dent cars and houses. Measuring precipitation. Meteorologists use radar to locate precipitation. Radar shows where rain and snow will be. It tells how much might fall. A rain gauge collects water falling from the sky. The measurement shows how much water has fallen. Farmers need just the right amount of precipitation. Too much causes flooding. Too little means a drought. Crops cannot grow without water.